How to export video in Capcut. Exporting your video in Capcut finalizes your editing work and allowing you to save and share your creation with others. Now, this is my creation right here. I'm going to go ahead and show you. It's basically very simple. It's just a person walking in this green screen or chroma key. So what I'm going to do is to export this one, and the way that we are going to do that is by clicking the export button right here, and then we're going to go ahead and rename this one. So I'm going to go ahead and call this one chroma key, just like so. After doing so, I'm going to go ahead and click this one here and then basically choose wherever I want to save this. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead to the video exporting section. Now you're going to have to choose the resolution for this one. This is actually very simple, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose 1080p. However, you can select whatever kind of resolution you see fits for your project. So say for example, if you are going to go ahead and upload some vlogs, something that has a lot of something that needs high quality, then go ahead and choose between the following. Here we have 2K and 4K, and then we also have a lower one, or a lower resolution rather, 480p and 720p. And then for the bitrate is going to change depending on your resolution. So for example, in my case 1080p, you can just go ahead and use 8000 or 8000 kilobytes per second here. And then for the bitrate, you can choose between CBR or constant bitrate or variable bitrate. So for the CBR constant bitrate, basically the bitrate is going to stay the same throughout the entire video. However, it is going to be a little bit heavier in terms of size. For the variable bitrate, say for example, there isn't any much need of high bitrate in that particular part of the video, it is going to be lowering the bitrate. And the good thing is that the size also of this is going to be lower. Now go ahead and choose. I'm going to go ahead and choose variable bitrate because this is very simple video. And then you have here the codec H.264, most common, and then the format MP4 is the most common as well, so I'm going to use these both. For the frame rate, depending on what kind of video, again, go ahead and choose whichever you think fits. So this is again very simple, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose 30 frames per second. Once I'm done, I can just go ahead and hit the export button right here, and it is going to export just like that. Now click this one here to see the folder where you have saved that file. So I'm going to play this one. Alright, just like so. So yep, that's basically how you are going to do it. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to export video here in Capcut. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.